Next, I want to talk about the new offerings from NewTek, and I think of all the products up here, the one people aspire to in this category is the TriCaster. The TriCaster is a great product. And I want to talk about the new TriCaster Mini. The new one is a 4K NDI bundle. That's the box we have right here that actually doesn't have any HDMI or SDI inputs. What you use these little, there we go. Yeah, here are these converters. I want to show it to you. This is the unit, and you can see that it doesn't have any jacks. We've done some shows on it. What you do is you take your HDMI source into this this dedicated NDI converter, and it plugs into your network, and through NDI, it plugs directly into this box right here. So you can directly input multiple sources using NDI, which is a whole technology that allows you to do an IP workflow where now you don't have to run big expensive cabling over the room, and any cables you have throughout the room with your local networking can be tied into it. But now there's also 3 bundles available with the TriCaster Mini 4K. You got it for, it's basically a la carte, gets you the unit with these 2 converters. For $10,995, you get the TriCaster Mini 4K, the 2 converters, and a small control surface, and a hard travel case. And then they have the big bundle for $18,995, which gets you the TriCaster Mini 4K, a pair of the converters, the TC1 control surface, a bigger, more professional control surface with a joystick controller that you can use for your PTZ, and 2 NewTek PTZ cameras for $18,995. It sells you about $1,000. So that's like the gamut and the breadth of our bundles for this show, and I think you'll see they were really cool.